We're making deals today? What's in that cup? I smell it.
Take a sip.
He said, go ahead. No.
I mean, they sell for like $400.
Dude, this is cool. I'm gay, but... What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's a good one. These sales are from 2 weeks ago. I'm only a little bit behind now as far as content goes. I'm trying something new. In the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see in red what I spend. And then on the other side of the screen, in green, is how much value these items have. So you'll be able to tell how much I spend versus what the estimated resale value is. So that's pretty cool. It took me a long time editing all that, but yeah, hopefully I'll get faster in the future. Really cool stuff. There's a $400 item if I can get it working, $250 if I can't. You'll see that later on in the video, so make sure you stick around to the very end. Gotta save my gas. Oh, my knee just gave out. I do. I did. Look at these. How much are these Legos?
I'll take $1 a piece for each of them.
Okay. Yeah, these are cool. I give her $6. I'll give it to you. Yeah, I'll get it in the car.
Do whatever, but then like.
Good, how are you?
Go find garage sales like in different states.
100%. Yeah, but you get a summer vacation, I don't. This?
Yeah, all my Jeff Gordon stuff went.
How much is this?
You know what? You give me $1 for that, and I'll let you have it.
That's perfect. That's cool.
But I had die-cast cars, figurines, mugs. Yeah, I had a lot of NASCAR stuff.
That's cool.
Jeff was my guy.
What is this?
That'd make the girl happy for sure.
I'm gay, but no, I'm just kidding. I just wanted to mess. No, I'm just kidding. I just had to mess with you.
The delay got me.
Thank you. You too. I need to eat. My stomach hurts.
That Red Bull got me.
Is this like a movie? It's a movie projector?
Yeah, I think you put like a DVD in there and it just projects up on the wall.
It says 25. I'll think about it. I'll see what it. Read a description on it.
There you go.
Yeah, I might get it. What?
All right,
$20? Will you do 15?
sure.
Okay. No, I'm not gonna bargain with you and then ask you for change. Just keep it. That's fine.
Oh, thank you.
Bro,
If I had 15, I would.
she had a South Park hoodie.
Right, right.
I thought I had 15, but I didn't. So that's cool.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad y'all stopped by.
Morning. Dude, I knew I was gonna get in trouble. What are these?
Tablets,
Oh, okay. How much are they?
25 a piece. They come with the cases that are there too.
Cool. I don't know anything about them. I'm lying. I'm the boss. I don't care what she says. There's 40. Let me get to 45. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. I
And then
appreciate
the little,
the black and red one.
and they've been reset. They do work.
Oh, okay.
Turned them on yesterday morning, so.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
What is this thing?
It's a TV.
Really?
Yeah.
That's wild. It's like one of them prank golf balls.
I don't know. I think it's, if you hit it, I don't know if it explodes or pops or.
So yes. It's not a prank, but it'll blow up.
It'll blow up.
Oh, okay.
Very articulate.
Dude, this is cool.
I agree.
Can you plug other stuff into it? Or it's just a TV?
I think it's only those channels that's on the dial.
Oh, headphones.
It's,
Bro, wherever you are, you just throw that little antenna up and you got it.
Yeah, I don't even know if you can get.
I'm gonna look this shit up.
Good.
Yep.
All right, have a wonderful day.
Thank you. I'm gonna buy the damn TV.
You can get more off of it or something since it's so. Alrighty.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. 30-second bike. Stuff like that does sell though. 34, 34. And how much are the jeans?
25 cents, sir.
Okay. Cool. I feel like I gotta find 3 more things now. What about your shoes?
25 cents, sir.
The shoes?
Yes, sir.
Wow. I don't have any quarters, so I'll be happy to get some back.
You want to shop around for the other 50 cents?
Nah, I'm okay. I need some change. Oh, okay.
Pants and then the shoes.
I'll give some kid with a lemonade stand 50 cents. That's the best part.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Random piece of trivia that I didn't even know. I consider myself a Longhorns fan.
I just wanted to show I got the Aflac duck.
Aflac.
It's a golf head cover. Yeah, that's cool. I'll change that. I'll change that narrative.
I've got $3. So
No.
I just want to look. Hello.
Hello.
Good, how are y'all?
We're making deals today? Yeah. Real big deals. Dang. DJ Osmo Chew.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you? What you got on this?
That was good.
Yeah, how much?
Let me, my son is,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. I like to make videos, so.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that was
Yeah, see, I got my little camera. How much you got on there?
I paid 60 for it, so I don't know. You can take it for like 20 bucks.
20 bucks?
It
Okay.
just needs a charge. It works 100%. It's just because I sold the newer version. That's why.
Gotcha.
you can charge it right here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I have the 3. And my wife, she does real estate. And she uses
I
the.
had a drone and all
How much
of it,
on the
but I
clothes?
sold all of it.
Oh, dang. That's what I do for work. I fly a drone for work.
Do you live right here? Because I saw
No,
someone flying a
uh-uh.
drone right here.
Okay.
the other
Nah, I live in Hillsboro.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
and
I just I like anything video. I like record a lot of stuff.
No, that's cool. But yeah, man.
$5.
Honestly,
What's in that cup?
Don't have
I smell it.
Okay.
Halo over here.
Yes.
I smell it.
feel like I need some of that right now.
Take a sip.
He said, "Go ahead." No.
I just play it.
Yeah, you got me.
Hey, y'all are very
I don't even
hospitable.
use it.
How much?
10 bucks. I don't care.
Okay.
Michael, what's the name there?
Yeah, I
His
good.
birthday, and it was my birthday, and I was like, let's just get us a bottle so we can drink.
Very nice.
Man, y'all seem cool.
Yeah, they real cool, man.
Appreciate it. The 3rd generation that I had. I think that's the 2nd. Or
Yeah, this is the 2. Yeah, but I mean they're good to have.
any vintage shit. I got a original Xbox too.
Oh wow, how
Other
much?
than that, nothing. All I sell are sneakers. I sold all my sneakers today. So.
That's good.
That Xbox, it's the Halo edition. I was asking, it needs a new battery supply, but I don't know, like 60 bucks.
Is it like internal? I don't know really anything.
Because one guy was saying he could fix it for me for like 30 bucks, and I was like, nah, I just keep it on my shelf, you know.
Yeah.
I got all the OG games and stuff.
How much you got on these? I'm gonna have to really ponder that.
You bought my
'cause
gimbal, so you got them for 50. I don't care. You really want them?
Dude, those are nice.
I've wanted some gray Nikes.
I gotta
too.
mix this. I forgot to put it.
It's only Saturday. Well, it is Saturday, yeah. Wait, is your Xbox out here?
I can bring it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shit.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's dope, dude.
New power supply. I think I turned it on last year because I was like.
So
let's
it's
try
just
power it
missing
up.
the cable.
No, I got all the wires, all that. I think it's the actual like battery supply inside. You just gotta take it apart and.
So I fix
PC, you
phones,
know
so
what I mean?
I'm
So, I don't
sure I could fix this.
100%.
I mean, they sell for like $400.
Yeah, I mean,
And I switched to
collectible
PC,
kinda.
so.
Was this original on there, or is it like something
yeah,
that's like?
I want to say that was for like movies. I bet. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Could we like bundle it? Like,
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, screw it. I'll do like 100.
for both? So it's like 50 each.
You'll make money on that, and then this money's going to something else. Probably 100. 60-40.
60-40.
Plenty of life on these.
Yeah, I mean, you gave me a deal on the gimbal, so yeah, we'll do that.
For sure. Let me go grab all the other crap for that phone.
Okay.
I got like
Does it have controllers?
yeah, it's got control. I gotta find it.
Okay, yeah. Oh, that's cool that he customizes them.
But all those original Xbox.
Had an 07, bro.
That's cool.
How much you want for each game?
Nah, bro, take them.
Take them? Shit,
Oh,
sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. 1,000? Dang!
Money back, you sell it.
Yeah, 100%. That's a lot of them up. That's cool.
I love this.
I like the Xbox. That's sick. Junior's into Halo as well, so I think he'll think it's cool. Does all that go with this?
Yeah. I just gotta keep I gotta keep this whole thing because this is an OG controller too. This is for some special edition game. You control like ships. It was like Star Wars. You know, what was it when Anakin's like racing?
Dude, I
I forgot.
don't know
what it is. I
anything
forgot
about
what it is,
Star
but, like,
Wars.
that's a good controller.
That's cool.
I know.
Oh, here's the $100.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for the games and stuff too. I appreciate it.
Guys, you're clearing my house, so like I
Hey.
gotta make room for it.
Hey, that's the goal, man. That's the best sale to go to when they want to get rid of stuff.
Yep.
And don't treat it like a mall. All right, man. Have a good one, dude.
Good afternoon.
Yep, lots of cool sales today. Just want to say appreciate you for sticking around. Subscriber update. As of posting or as of editing this, I'm at 480, so we're not quite to 500. My last video didn't do so well, but I do have some short form content coming, so hopefully that'll boost my subs up to 500. That'd be cool. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you hopefully in the next video.